Hello everybody, my name is Carl from financialfreedomacademics.com. In this video I want to talk to you about how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2019. And I'm very excited about telling you my stuff and what I'm thinking about all this stuff and how I'm doing it and how it really works, because so many people, they give up, and I hate it when people give up their dreams. So I definitely want to talk to you about all this stuff, and you will get something out of this video because I always want to give value. And at the end of this video, when you stay till the end, I want to show you something wonderful. You will be blown away, I can promise that. And yeah, if you have any questions, just comment it below inside the comment area. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I very often upload highly valuable stuff you will definitely want to watch when it comes to creating your financial freedom, okay? So, let's start. What's the most important things when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing? Let me have a look here. Definitely you need a high converting offer, because when you send traffic to an offer and you say 20%, it has a conversion rate of 20%. That means you will definitely have a sale from every fifth visitor, if it's a targeted visitor, if it belongs to this industry, okay? So then we come to the second point, which is the point where most people struggle with, is finding high targeted traffic. People make so much money with products about finding the right traffic because people just struggle with this method. And the only reason because people struggle with it is because they don't test it, and they don't track it, and they give up a method too soon. So I highly recommend to focus on 3 traffic sources and then test them, track them with ClickMagick, for example. I have a link below this video to ClickMagick. It's perfect for scaling your business. And then just stuck to 1 or 2 traffic sources. So when it comes to free traffic, I'm a big fan of Pinterest. That's my #1 free traffic method. I used Facebook in the past, but I'm very tired of Facebook because everybody is posting scam inside all those affiliate marketing groups. I hate it. Even if they engage with your post, they won't buy, so I definitely don't do that any longer. But Pinterest is very good for free traffic. Twitter is kind of good, and I'm definitely go with paid traffic because you don't have to spend much time on it. You just have to make sure that your funnel is have a good conversion rate. So when it comes to a paid traffic funnel, that's my squeeze page here. I'm in the online marketing industry. I show people how to do online marketing the right way, how to create passive income with creating our system which works for you. That's what I'm teaching people. So let's have a look here. I created a lead capture page where I show people how to create a passive income system. And you want to build curiosity. I already have a video from my first lesson. I teach everything on my own because I want to build authority and trust. That's very important. And then you just let them opt in. And when it comes to paid traffic, what's very important is that you have our upselling offer. So let's say you're in the diet niche and you say you have our lead capture page which tells you, hey, here's a free report on how to lose 20 or 10 pounds in 20 days. And then they opt in. On the next page, okay, you have paid traffic. That's very important. That's the method when you have paid traffic from solo ads or from Google AdWords, whatever. You want to break even or even profit with the paid traffic because people are afraid of paid traffic. That's what I definitely not understand, because paid traffic is the best traffic. It's highly targeted and it's not time consuming. And you can break even very easy. You just need to send paid traffic from solo ads, like when you go to udemy.com, go to health, and then go what you want to spend on the click, and just make those clicks break even. Like, there's so many good solo ad sellers have an order and then send them to your squeeze page, capture page, and let's say you're in a diet niche, as I said, you want to have a congruent offer here, right? You want to have an offer. When we say how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, you want to have an offer here. How to lose 10 pounds in 10 days without all the pain, or without not much effort. Okay. So, and you want to have a video here to introduce yourself, build authority and trust, tell them to whitelist your email, and tell them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, then click the continue button to your upsell offer, which will make you paid traffic, free traffic. So as I said, make sure to focus on 3 traffic sources, free or paid, whatever you want. I will always start out with free traffic and then scale it up with paid traffic, but just focus on 3 sources, test them, track them with ClickMagick, find the link below, and then scale them, like send even more traffic. When you make $1, $3 out of 1, you are rich, right? You are rich. There's no limit. Always make sure you have profit, track it, and you're good to go. Also, that's number one thing you need to know. I know people just hate it, but it is like it is. Like, you need to build an email list. You imagine tomorrow everything shuts down, like Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Your audience is gone, and with your email list, they are yours, and you can build a relationship to them. And I love it. Like, you can ask any big marketer when it comes to making money online. You need your email list, and you need a good relationship to your email list. So make sure when you have an email list and you have a sequence, a follow-up sequence, you definitely want to give value. You want to be somebody, be real, and give value. Not make a sale on every single email. People will unsubscribe because they say, okay, he sells me everything. Second thing is, when it comes to email marketing, is that you want to know what they need. Ask them. Just have an email inside your autoresponder, which asks the people for what is your struggle number 1, and they will respond because they need help. They will tell you, oh, I don't know how to write a sales letter, I don't know how to get traffic, I don't know how to get traffic with Pinterest, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. You know what they need, and then you promote this to the list and make a reason to buy through your link. And how you do that is, I will show you in a second. Or like, give your audience a reason to buy through your link. And you do that by, of course, likability. I hope I write it right. I'm from Germany. Probably not right, but whatever, you know what I mean, likability. And give them some bonuses, make a review. Like, when I'm in the making money online niche, I will always send them to a review page of my method, and I will customize it to the sales page. So get the background graphic. I do this with Commission Gorilla. There's another link below. Have a background graphic, have the headline as a claim, and then say, does it really work? And tell them a lot about the products, and then give them bonuses. Give them customized bonuses so that they have a reason to buy. When you have something that you don't like about the product, say, oh, I don't like that the product doesn't cover that, but I cover that inside my bonuses. So give them a reason to buy through your link. That's very, very important. Okay? So when it comes to finding a high converting offer, you need to go to ClickBank. Like, I'm on a marketing niche. I definitely go with Warrior Plus, and there's a lot of good offers here. But when it comes to ClickBank, there are so many niches inside here. Let's say you're in the health niche, the diet niche. You just find your product right here, and they are sorted by popularity. And look at the conversion rate, and look at how much you get per sale, and that's very important. And look, when it comes to ClickBank, look at the gravity. Like, the first products here are all good. They probably have very good sales pages, so you don't need to worry. When it comes to health niche, just promote the first 5 products. Make sure it solves a problem. Make sure it fits your audience, and you're good to go. When you have free traffic in Pinterest, just create a board with tips how to lose weight, and then redirect to your offer. Or when you're on YouTube, create videos. YouTube is one of the strongest platforms ever. Like, and even in the next years, it will be even stronger. Okay. So that's what I suggest, to not overcomplicate the whole thing. Like, find a high converting offer and send highly targeted traffic to it. That's it. And always focus on the goal number 1. Build your list and build a relationship to your list and give them value. Please don't be our guy or a woman who always just post something there and maybe scam the people, or promote a product you don't know. Always make sure to review it, because a buyer is a buyer is a buyer. You want to have a long-term relationship. When you make money online, always focus on long-term. Imagine you cancel your daytime job or your full-time job or 9-to-5 job, whatever you call it, and because you made a lot of money in 1 week because you have your breakthrough, and then your customers, they say, oh, like, he is all just selling me stupid stuff, and oh, I unsubscribe, I don't like him, I ignore him, and that's it. They are gone. They will never buy from you. So make sure to build a relationship and give value. As I said, when it comes to paid traffic, Udemy is the number 1 to go. Health. Look what you're selling and then have a price per click. I go with 40 to 60 cents, but I always make sure to break even with my upsell here and track it with ClickMagick. Okay? That's the points I wanted to show you. I know it was maybe a bit frustrating for you, because I just broke it down that there are actually no secrets when it comes to making money online, because you just need to focus on the 3 things: high converting offer, highly targeted traffic, list building, relationship, boom. Anyway, when it comes to making money online, when I'm in an online niche, and my friends Spencer and Dan, they created a product, and I've had a look at the product and I made a review of that. You can find the link below this video. The name is Trigger. In a nutshell, is a product which will show you step by step how to build a profitable online business in 1 week. And they really cut it down on the most important things, like there's so many courses with so much rambling and blah blah blah, and you don't need it. You don't need it. And then Spencer, they broke it down. I made a review, show you the inside of the training and everything, and also I will give you my insane bonuses. I create everything on my own. Like my 2 premium trainings, I will give them away for free. Some upsells of them, some hacks, like high ticket done for you high ticket second autopilot training, which I created. It's 1.5 hour content. My number 1 premium product, which I launched last week, I will give it to you, 100% license right, and so much more. So make sure to click the link below this video. You will love it. Definitely recommend it. And for now, just focus on the things I told you, because you will save yourself so much time if you don't do all this scammy method. Focus on the traffic method, make a research, find 3 traffic method would work for you, test them, track them, scale them. Like, that's important. when it comes to traffic, test, track, and scale. That's the thing you need to do. Test, track, scale, and you will have an awesome life. You make your money from the laptop. It's insane. It's the freedom you want to have. Okay. Make sure to check out my review below this video. There's also a link to my free training, 100% free training, which actually leads you to this page, because here I tell you my biggest secret, or I will give you my done for you system, and I teach everything on my own, and you will love it. I love done for you material. Just set it up once, take action, and crush it, okay? My name is Carl. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and ask your questions below this video. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.